Welcome to this guide on how to buy on the Robinhood app. Robinhood is a popular trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other financial instruments. To get started, you will need to download and install the Robinhood app on your mobile device. First, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide some personal and financial information to comply with regulatory requirements. This information will be used to verify your identity and determine your eligibility to trade. Once your account is set up, you will need to fund it by linking a bank account or using another payment method. This will allow you to deposit money into your Robinhood account, which you can then use to buy stocks and other financial instruments. To buy a stock, navigate to the Search tab and enter the ticker symbol of the company you are interested in. You can also browse through the app's catalog of available stocks and other financial instruments. When you find the stock you want to buy, click on it to view its details, including its current price and trading volume. Next, click on the Buy button to place an order. You will need to specify the number of shares you want to buy and the type of order you want to place. There are two main types of orders: market orders and limit orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute only if the stock reaches a certain price. After you place your order, it will be executed and the stock will be added to your portfolio. You can then monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. It's also a good idea to set a budget and stick to it to avoid overextending yourself. Some best practices to keep in mind when buying on the Robinhood app include doing your research before making a trade, diversifying your portfolio, and being patient and disciplined. It's also important to understand the fees associated with trading on the app, as well as any risks and potential downsides. Overall, buying on the Robinhood app is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these guidelines and being mindful of your trading strategy, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.